Draw histogram for the following frequency distribution. Use of electricity units given 50 to 70 units. Number of families 150. 400 families have 70 to 90 units. Then 90 to 110 460 families. 110 to 130 units 540 families. 130 to 150 units 600 families. 150 to 170 units 350 families. So draw histogram for this. Draw x dash, y dash, origin O. Use of electricity unit on x-axis. So we want to start it from 50 to 70. So previous readings we want to hide. So crink mark is used on x-axis. On y-axis, we can write it with the interval number of families, frequency 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, that is interval of 50. So we write the scale on x-axis. Here 1 unit is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units and 10 units of electricity, and here 1 centimeter is equal to 50 families. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 like this we'll write. Use of electricity in units 50 to 70 150 families. So 50 to 70, draw a column for this. 50 to 70 150 units. 70 to 90 400 units. 90 to 110, it is 460 units. Observe, here it is 50 families. 10 lines are there. Each line indicates 5 families. So second line after 450 is your 460 families. Then 540 families, 110 to 130 units. Then 130 to 150 units, 600 families, and 150 to 170, it is 350 families. So this is complete figure, which is histogram. In a handloom factory, different workers take different periods of time to weave. The number of workers and their required periods are given below. Prepare the information. Present this information by frequency polygon. So number of days required for the workers and number of workers which is mentioned. Now first column we want class, that is number of days which is given. Intervals are continuous. Then the class mark, midpoint of this class we'll find out. So that is 8 plus 10, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Here it is 11, 13, midpoint of the class 15, midpoint of the class 17, this is 19. Frequency which is given, number of workers. So write down as it is, number of workers. Now x dash and y dash. So here we want number of days. So we start from 2, 4, 6, 8. We write the scale on x-axis. 1 unit is equal to 2 days. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it is 1 unit is equal to 2 days. On y-axis it is number of workers. So 1 unit is equal to 5 workers. So we write the scale in the extreme right corner. So u-axis x dash, y dash, intersection is O. Then mark the points. Here 6 to 8. Now midpoint of this class is 7. One class before this you have to write 6 to 8. So class mark is 7 and the frequency is 0. One column, one interval after this 20 to 22. Midpoint of the class 21. Its frequency 0. So 21, its frequency 0. 6 to 8. So midpoint is 7. Its frequency 0. One interval before this, one interval after this. We want to write as it is frequency polygon. It is a complete figure. Then here class mark 9, frequency 5. Class mark 9, in between 8 to 10 we have 9, frequency 5. 11, 16, 11, 16, 13, 30. After in between 12 and 14 we have 13. This is 30. Then 15, 40. 15 and this is 40. Then plot the point 17, 35. Plot this point. Then we have 19, 14. Plot this point. Exactly 2 lines below 15 we have here 14. Then 21, 0 and this is 7, 0. Join it with the help of ruler and pencil. This is a closed figure which is frequency polygon.